Welcome back to Fact Fluence, your go-to channel for valuable information. Today, we have an exciting revelation that could change the way you make money online. Picture this. You're bringing in a cool $300 per day. It's the year 2024, and this isn't just a dream. It's a reality that's within your grasp, no matter where in the world you're tuning in from. Intrigued? You should be. Stick around, and I'll show you the easiest way to achieve this. Now, probably wondering what the secret is to this incredible result. It's all about leveraging a powerful tool that's been making waves in the digital world. This tool is none other than kittl.com, an advanced AI-powered design platform that's completely free to use. By the time we're done here, you'll not only have a solid grasp of how to use this tool, but you'll also know how to turn it into a reliable income stream. The beauty of kittl.com lies in its simplicity and versatility. It's a design tool that lets you create stunning visuals, from logos and illustrations to much more in mere seconds. Regardless of whether you're a seasoned design pro or a beginner with no prior experience, kittl.com's advanced AI capabilities will help you generate impressive visuals with nothing more than simple text prompts. To kick things off, all you need to do is click on the first link in the description below this video. This will take you to kittl.com, where you can register for a free account. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself in a user-friendly interface that's accessible directly from your web browser. No software downloads required. You can then dive into the plethora of templates for logos, posters, thumbnails, and more. But we're just scratching the surface here. There's a whole world of design possibilities waiting for you on kittl.com. And the best part? You can turn these designs into a steady stream of income. But more on that later. For now, let's dive deeper into how to make the most of kittl.com. Stick around, and I'll show you the easiest way to achieve this. So, what's the secret to this incredible result? It lies in leveraging a powerful AI tool called kittl.com. Intrigued? Well, hold on to your seats because we're about to dive into the world of kittl.com, a revolutionary platform that's changing the game for online entrepreneurs across the globe. Now, I know what you're thinking. Another AI tool? But this isn't just any tool, folks. Kittl.com is an AI-powered design powerhouse that's not only free but also incredibly user-friendly. Whether you're a seasoned graphic designer or someone who's just dipping their toes into the world of design, kittl.com is the perfect tool for imagine being able to create stunning visual content, from logos and illustrations to posters and thumbnails, all with a few simple text prompts. No need for complex design software, no need for years of design experience. Just your creativity and kittl.com's advanced AI working together to create magic. But the beauty of kittl.com doesn't stop at design. Oh no, my friends. This tool is also your ticket to a reliable income stream. How? By turning your designs into cash. That's right. You can sell your creations on global marketplaces such as Etsy.com and start earning over $300 a day. Sounds too good to be true? Well, believe it because people are doing it right now. The best part about all this? Kittl.com works globally. It doesn't matter where you are in the world. As long as you have an internet connection and a desire to create, you can leverage the power of kittl.com. So there you have it, folks. The secret to making over $300 a day in 2024. It's all about leveraging the power of kittl.com, creating stunning designs and turning them into cash. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand how to use this tool, but also how to turn it into a reliable income stream. To get started, simply click on the first link in the description, register for free on kittl.com, and log into your account. It's as straightforward as it sounds. Once you've entered your details and set your password, you'll land on kittl.com's vibrant homepage. This is your gateway to a world of unlimited design potential. Now, I know what you're thinking. How do I navigate this space? Don't worry, kittl.com has one of the most user-friendly interfaces out there. You'll notice a navigation bar at the top of your screen. That's your main tool for moving around the platform. You can access your designs, explore templates, and manage your account settings from there. On your left, you'll find a dashboard with different design categories. This is where you'll select the type of design you want to create, be it a logo, a poster, or a thumbnail. There's a search bar at the top if you already know what you're looking for. Next, let's talk about kittl.com's workspace. This is where you'll bring your designs to life. You'll notice a toolbar on the left side of your screen. This is your design toolbox, where you'll find everything you need for your project. From adding text and images to adjusting colors and layers, it's all right there. Now, Here's the best part. Kittl.com is browser-based, which means you don't need to download any additional software. You can start designing right away from any device anywhere in the world. How cool is that? Once logged in, explore the plethora of templates for logos, posters, thumbnails, and more. There's a template for every need and every style, and they're all fully customizable. You can change colors, fonts, and layouts to match your brand or your mood. The creative control is entirely in your hands. There you have it, a quick and easy guide to getting started with kittl.com. In the next scene, we'll delve deeper into the design process and show you how to create stunning designs in a matter of minutes. Stay tuned. Now let's dive into the creation process. The world of kittl.com is filled with endless possibilities, and it all starts with selecting the right template. From logos to posters, there are countless templates you can choose from, each one a canvas for your creativity. Once you've settled on a template, it's time to customize. This is where your unique ideas come to life. Kittl.com is all about giving you the freedom to express your creativity, so don't hold back. Change the colors, adjust the text, and play around with the layout until you're happy with your design. As you're exploring the customization options, remember to keep your design cohesive. One way to do this is by grouping similar elements together. This not only makes your design more visually appealing, but also makes it easier to manipulate and adjust. Now let's talk about color schemes. Kittl.com offers a fantastic feature called Magic Color Palettes. With a single click, you can transform the entire color scheme of your design. No need to manually change each element's color, the Magic Color Palette does it all for you. But what if you're not sure what design to create? No worries, Kittl.com has you covered. Their AI-powered design tool can generate a design based on a simple text prompt. Simply choose a style, type in a prompt, and watch as Kittl.com's advanced AI creates a unique design before your eyes. This feature is perfect for those moments when you're feeling a bit stuck or just want to experiment with different designs. It's an excellent way to create eye-catching visuals effortlessly. Now you've got a feel for how versatile and user-friendly Kittl.com is. But remember, the best way to learn is by doing. So why not give it a try? Dive in, start creating, and discover the endless possibilities that Kittl.com offers. Remember, your designs don't have to be perfect, they just have to be uniquely you. So unleash your creativity, take risks, and most importantly, have fun. After all, the best designs come from those who dare to dream. It's an excellent way to create eye-catching visuals effortlessly. Once your designs are ready, it's time to turn them into cash. Enter kittl.com, a vibrant global marketplace brimming with potential buyers for your unique creations. Picture this, your custom t-shirt design or standout logo catching someone's eye, leading to a sale, and that sale leading to another. The is simple. Upload your designs onto kittl.com, set your price, and with each purchase you earn. But here's the clincher. It's not just one or two sales we're talking about. With millions of users worldwide, your earning potential on kittl.com is practically limitless. Whether it's a digital download of your artwork or physical products like mugs and teas featuring your designs, kittl.com is a platform that lets your creativity shine and pays you, for people have already earned substantial amounts using this method, and you can too. So why wait? Get your designs out there and start making a mark. And some money too. That wraps up today's video on how to get paid over $300 per day using kittl.com. We've unveiled the power of this AI-driven design tool that's free, user-friendly, and accessible from anywhere in the world. You've seen how easy it is to create stunning designs, logos, and so much more. Don't let this opportunity slip away. Register on kittl.com today and start exploring the limitless possibilities to express your creativity. Remember, your designs could be the next big hit on the global marketplace, etsy.com. This is not just about making money, but also about turning your creative passion into a profitable venture. Forget, the journey to earning over $300 per day begins with a single click. So, give kittl.com a try and let's see what amazing designs you can create. Like this video, subscribe to Fact Fluence, and let's embark on this exciting journey together.